NASCAR driver Bubba Wallace has been a Tennessee Volunteer fan all his life. His mother, Desiree, ran track at Tennessee and grew up in Knoxville, while his father is from Nashville. That's why it's tough on Wallace when he comes to Bristol and is booed by NASCAR fans who blame him for having a part in the Confederate flag banned by NASCAR at all their tracks. Wallace became only the second black driver since Wendell Scott 50 years ago to win a race on the Cup circuit, and when he captured the checkered flag last season at Talladega. Last time he was in Bristol for the fall race, he came out with headphones to block out the noise. He also says he remembers a quote told to him by a famous college basketball coach when times get hard.
That's tough. I mean, obviously you're getting stuff every day, and you have to navigate it the best way that you can. But you know, it's cool to have this quote, and I was able to meet Roy Williams, UNC basketball coach, a couple weeks ago, and he told me, "Hey, you know, just remember, I've never met him before." And he's like, "I heard a lot about you. Just remember, the dogs are always going to bark, but the caravan's going to continue to keep rolling." And I was like, "That's pretty damn cool." So I've told myself a lot of times since then.